Hi, I'm Furhat. How fun that you want to bake a mud cake with me today. I bet we will have a great time together. I will try to guide you through every step as good as possible, but you can always ask me to repeat something. Okay, let's go. I could start with listing the ingredients and tools you will need so you can check that you have everything before we start. Do you want me to list the ingredients and tools?
Yes.
Great choice. Remember that you can always ask me to repeat something if you want to hear it again. First, you'll need 100 grams of butter and 2 eggs. Do you have that?
Yes.
Then check if you have 2.5 deciliters of sugar and 1 deciliter of flour.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's get to it. Let's start with setting the oven to 175 degrees Celsius. Tell me when you've done that.
I'm done.
Awesome. Now, melt 100 grams of butter in either a saucepan or in the microwave. Tell me when you're ready to move on.
Can you repeat that?
Melt 100 grams of butter in either a saucepan or in the microwave. Tell me when you're done.
Yes.
Wow. Great job so far. The batter is done. Now let's cover the hole inside of a baking tin, around 20 centimeters in diameter, with butter, and then pour breadcrumbs over it.
I'm ready.
Awesome. Almost done. All you have to do now is to bake the cake in the middle of the oven for around 15 minutes. The cake should be muddy in the middle and crispy on the outside.
The cake is out?
Sorry, I didn't understand that. Can you repeat?
The cake is out.
Look at that. It looks so yummy. Let the cake cool down. Thanks for baking with me. I had a great time. Goodbye.
Goodbye.